Alrighty, so this is my last unboxing video of my Chanel earrings that I recently purchased. So I took off my other ones, so my ears are naked. Again, same drill, camellia flower on the box, and it's neatly wrapped. Oh, I totally forgot to show the price of the other ones. The dangly ones are $1,240. That's how much that one costs. So this last one's the $140, and I'll show you that. Take off the camellia. Oh wait, no, I don't want to take off the camellia. I'm just going to take off the ribbon. Like this. And it's show time. Oh. Da, 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 da. Oof, this box is actually little. I wonder why this one was so much littler than the other one, or smaller. But look at that. These look beautiful. Okay, let's try them on. Exciting bit. Alrighty. So these are really similar to the first ones that I unboxed, except this one has the diamantes on the CCs and it has a circle around it, but it's pretty much almost the same same size, if you can see there. And it does look similar. I kind of like these better though than the other ones. The other ones are nice too. But this looks, I don't know, this reminds me of like work function compared to the other one. The other one's like going out. And this one's like work function or whatnot. So let's do what I've done before, front view. Again, I think my ears are just not, so you can't really see them, but we'll do side view. There we go. Oh, they look beautiful. Here we go. And hair up. I think these are my favorite pair that I bought. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I think this is my favorite pair. Which pair did you like? Did you like number 1, 2, or 3? Again, price for this one, actually I don't know now. I don't know if this one's that one or that one. It's one or the two. I just don't think, I can't remember, and there's nothing on the box to mention which one's what. Yep, I'm gonna have to look on the website or something. Anyway, hope you guys liked the unboxing video and my showcasing of the earrings. Any questions, feel free to put them down on the comments. As always, thank you again for watching, and please subscribe if you like my videos. Bye bye.